Do you have good leadership and communication skills? Are you in good physical condition, able to make quick decisions under pressure, and enjoy working in a team setting? Do you like having a clear set of rules and guidelines? If you answered yes to these questions, you might be holding the keys to being a correctional peace officer. Correctional peace officers are responsible for the safe care and custody of people who have been charged and awaiting trial in a court of law, and of offenders who have already been sentenced. To learn more about this line of work, we spoke to a correctional peace officer.
Hi, my name is Alan, and I'm a correctional peace officer. A correctional peace officer is someone who works within a provincial or federal correctional facility who oversees people awaiting trial or people who are already convicted. A typical day includes ensuring the security of the correctional facility through security checks, observing inmate behavior, enforcing rules, and exercising control when necessary.
You're going to direct him to raise his hand, you're going to move in, you're going to apply that first cuff, you're going to push motion.
Correctional peace officers are also responsible for administering charges after an incident occurs and working on case notes for the offenders you are responsible for. We are also responsible for driving transport vehicles to take inmates out on medical escorts. You never know what to expect in a typical working day. 1 minute you could be dealing with an extremely hostile inmate, and the next minute and the next hour you could be responding to an emergency as a first responder in a medical emergency. You can find yourself working either indoors or outdoors at federal or provincial institutions. In the institution, you can find yourself working on either a living unit, in the admission and discharge area, or acting as a member of the response team in code situations. The tools and equipment a correctional peace officer uses are issued to him or her by the institution they are employed by. These include handcuffs and shackles, OC spray, commonly known as pepper spray, spit masks, and there are other tools available to you during emergency situations.
Hey John, how's it going?
Communication skills are also very important in order to be able to effectively communicate with the inmates, staff members, and the general public. You must also be able to make quick and sound decisions during emergency situations in order to ensure the security of the institution and the safety of the staff members and the inmates. The working environment in the correctional facility is positive because you're constantly working with good and professional people and you're working as part of a team to achieve a common goal. The environment can also be very stressful and very hazardous because as correctional peace officers, we also have to be alert for breaches of institutional rules, drugs, and prohibited weapons.
That foot twist, that hand comes out.
The biggest challenge is that there is cases where you're dealing with extremely difficult people, but nothing is too difficult when approached with appropriate and professional response.
He goes to the ground.
Along with the required high school diploma and first aid and level C CPR certificate, my qualifications and training started off with the 9-week recruitment training course at the Justice and Solicitor General Training Academy. Past work experience in a related field with an emphasis on communication skills is highly encouraged. There are many opportunities for advancements available in corrections, such as becoming a security intelligence officer, working as a supervisor or a manager, or working on the search team, which is responsible for all the searches conducted within the building, or working on the center's tactical team, which responds to emergency situations that arise in the building. The most satisfying aspect of working at corrections is definitely working as part of a team to achieve a common goal. It's an amazing career, and if you're the type of person that needs some excitement in your life, then corrections is definitely the career for you. Looking forward on my current career path, I see myself applying to be a supervisor in the near future, as well as continuing to develop as an effective field training officer.
Being a correctional peace officer requires a combination of physical fitness, the ability to make decisions in response to security problems, good communication skills, and the ability to work under pressure as part of a team. Discover more about this occupation, such as educational requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. And learn about related occupations like bylaw enforcement officer and transport officer. Go to alice.alberta.ca and make the most of your future.